some three philosophies that is really important in your life and really crucial. So there are a lot of philosophies out there, but the three things that is crucial are: first is stoicism. Stoicism is the fundamental of resilience, discipline, and out outstanding motivation itself. So why do we need stoicism in our life? So if you're an athlete, if you're struggling to deal with wrath or aggression, so stoicism is the best thing for you. So it controls your emotions, through your desires, and moment, focusing on the focusing on the moment, and preparing for the future and forgetting about the past. So that is stoicism. So next is Buddhism. So Buddhism is the meditations, and some Asians do this or practice this thing as fundamental laws of nature, because we human had electromagnetic fields. We have energy that we need to recharge our batteries in order to gain more positivity in our life. So it's cutting all of discernments, all of desires, all of our wants, our passions, such as our the things that motivates us, that satisfies us, that gives us pleasure. So that is Buddhism, cutting all of those things and focusing on the enlightenment or the nirvana in order to gain more of our soul. So it's just the quote said that we need to gain more of our soul than material things that we possess. So that is Buddhism. And next is, lastly, this is more important, especially in the modern days, the self-actualizations or the humanism. So humanism is important because we have a realization towards ourselves in a delusional way. So some of us learn from the things we read to the book, and we doesn't even apply it into the real life, just like going to the school every day. So our teacher taught us that they have different kinds of intelligence, teaching us mathematics and limiting us ourselves in not telling to not give up. So humanism is the uniqueness or the compassionately way of telling yourself that I have a set of rules, because I am an individual and I have my own life, I have my own identity. Just like Schopenhauer said that 5 seconds when you were born, the society or the society or the people that um, live with you or your family taught you or give you the ideas, give you the set of rules that you must live in. So you are not controlled by the society, you are controlled by the rules. So by humanism, so we apply uniqueness by setting our own standards, our own rules, such as the Feynman technique, which is we need to share it from a lot of people, and we need to learn also from the people in a humble way, in a way that we could also had interaction with it. So it's all about the social thing, just like Aristotle said. So that is the three things that we need to remember. So that's all. Thank you.